Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency platform that allows users to buy, sell, store, and pay with various digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and its native token, CRO. It also offers a Visa card for spending cryptocurrencies at merchants worldwide. Here's a step-by-step guide to help beginners understand how to trade online on Crypto.com and secure their payments transactions in 2024. Sign up for a Crypto.com account. Visit the Crypto.com website, Crypto.com, and click on Sign Up. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and complete the verification process. Verify your identity. To ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and to access all features on the platform, you'll need to verify your identity. Upload the necessary documents such as a government-issued ID, proof of address, and a selfie. Deposit funds. To buy cryptocurrencies, you'll need to deposit funds into your Crypto.com account. You can use various payment methods, including bank transfer, credit debit card, or other cryptocurrencies. Start trading. Navigate to the Trade section on the Crypto.com app or website. Here, you can choose from various trading pairs and place buy or sell orders for your desired cryptocurrencies. Manage your portfolio. Keep track of your investments and monitor their performance in the Portfolio section. This will help you make informed decisions about buying, selling, or holding your assets. To secure your payment transactions on Crypto.com, follow these steps. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA for your account to add an extra layer of security. You can use Google Authenticator or other 2FA apps to generate a unique code each time you log in. Use a strong and unique password. Always use a strong, unique password for your Crypto.com account and avoid sharing it with anyone. Enable Google Authenticator for withdrawals. When withdrawing cryptocurrencies or making large transactions, enable Google Authenticator to add an additional security layer. Enable email notifications. Stay informed about your account activity by enabling email notifications for deposits, withdrawals, and other significant events. Keep your devices and software updated. Ensure that your computer, smartphone, and software applications are up to date to protect against security vulnerabilities. Store your cryptocurrencies securely. Consider using the Crypto.com app's built-in Crypto Earn and Crypto Stake features to generate passive income while keeping your assets secure. Be cautious with phishing scams. Always verify the authenticity of emails, messages, or websites asking for your personal or account information. Crypto.com will never ask for your password or private keys. By following these steps, you can effectively trade online on Crypto.com and secure your payments and transactions in a responsible manner.